Look around you. The sky, your thoughts, your phone, even you. All of this exists. But why? Why is there something instead of nothing? Why does anything at all exist? Think of a time you looked at the night sky and felt a strange silence. Or when you were alone and wondered, what is the point of all of this? That question, why is there anything, is one of the most deepest questions we can ask. Science can explain how things exist, how atoms form, how stars are born, how life evolves. But science doesn't fully answer why there is a universe at all. Instead of absolute nothingness, no space, no time, no laws, no potential. Some says the universe just exists. There is no reason. It's a brute fact, like a rock lying on the ground. No deeper explanation needed. But then, why this rock? Why this universe? Why any rock at all? Others say God created everything. But then the question shifts. Why does God exist? Who or what created God? Is God a brute fact or outside the chain of causality? Philosophers like Leibniz argued that there must be a necessary being, something that must exist by its very nature, and from which everything else follows. Some call this being God. Others think of it as logic, math, or reality itself. Physicist Max Tegmark proposed that mathematical structures don't just describe the universe, they are the universe. So maybe the reason anything exists is because mathematics exists necessarily. But then again, why do mathematical truths exist? Modern physicists like Lawrence Krauss argue that nothing is unstable. Quantum fields can spontaneously create particles. But even that quantum vacuum isn't true nothing. It's a sea of potential governed by laws. So again, why do the laws exist? Imagine a book where each page explains the next page. Page 1 explains page 2. Page 2 explains page 3. But what if you ask, why is there a book at all? That is this question. Not about what happens inside the universe, but why the whole thing exists. Think of a video game. Inside the game, the rules explain everything. But players inside the game can't ask why the game exists. They don't see the console or the developer. That's like us asking why the universe exists. We are inside the system. Have you ever truly imagined nothing? Not empty space, not darkness, but the absence of even possibility. Pure nothingness. It's hard, right? Maybe that's the clue. Maybe true nothingness isn't even a meaningful concept. Maybe existence is more natural than non-existence. Maybe something must exist. And the real mystery is, why this particular universe and not something else? This question, why does anything exist at all, may never have a final answer. But asking it stretches the mind. It takes out of the ordinary and places us face to face with the edge of human understanding. So what do you think? Is the universe a lucky accident, a necessary reality, a creation, or something beyond our imagination? Drop your thoughts in the comments because this is where philosophy really begins.